Life is unpredictable. You may be doing everything right when it comes to managing your money, but unable to ensure that the fruits of your hard work reaches the right hand is sad. Hello everyone, I am Vidya and welcome back to Finance Talks TV. Today's video is going to be different and incredibly important. It's a topic that often gets overlooked but crucial for everyone: creating a will. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss out on valuable unbiased content. Let's begin. The first step in creating a will is to list down all the assets and liabilities. This includes everything from your house and investments, debts and loans. Make sure you're clear about what should happen to each. It's like a roadmap for your loved ones. Now let's discuss how your insurance money can be used strategically. Identify which insurance policy can help close specific liabilities or responsibilities. It is better to write this down and keep it along with the insurance document so that the money gets used the way you want it. Ensuring your loved ones are financially secure even in your absence is a powerful way to express the love and care. Now let's decide who gets what and in what proportion. This isn't just about distributing your assets. It's about ensuring your loved ones are taken care of in the way you want it to. Think about well-being of your family and any dependents. Like you have one kid who took care of you during your old ages than other kids. So you might want to give something more to that kid than the other kids. So ensure that you write this in your will when you create it. If you see chances of problem arising between your kids in your absence, you even have an option to include interim clause in your will, where contesting your will may lead to losses for the person who is contesting. You can talk to your lawyer about your options if you have complicated situations like these. Remember, communication is the key. Inform your spouse or a trusted beneficiary about that you have a will and where it is stored. Also discuss with your spouse about how much money you have and in which instruments. This is an important conversation to have. You cannot discuss all these things if you have met with an accident and you're struggling for your life inside an ICU. Another critical step is sharing the key contacts with your spouse, like a financial advisor or a person who knows your money journey well. This person can help your family in case of your unfortunate demise. This ensures smooth transition and reduces the stress on your loved ones during these difficult times. And finally, don't forget to revisit your nominations or update your will if required during your annual financial review. Staying on top of these ensures that your will reflects your current circumstances and desires, which can change over time. Creating a will is an act of love and responsibility towards your family. It shows them a clear path forward during challenging times. Depending on where you live, which religion you follow, the succession laws can change. We have created a generic will template that you can download from the description box below. It gives you an idea of what you can include while creating a will. Please remember, you can include the assets that you created and not something that you inherited from someone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for tuning into Finance Talks TV. Until next time, may your money glow brighter each day.